count for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
Good. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna stop there for 1 second. So the different things I want you guys to focus on. Okay. First thing what I want you to do is make sure you switch your weight. Okay. So you don't have to worry about the shifting. Okay. First, you gotta know the leg, the knee. If you just go like this without adding the knee, that's like pretending to be a black belt. You know what I mean? Like, get the white belt stuff. This is the stuff that's more important. Okay? This is secondary. If you have this, this, without this, that's still fine. Okay? So this is more important. I want you to focus on that. Okay? Second thing is the arms. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. The third thing is shift. Bam, bam. Okay. The pivoting. That's the third most important. If you have the third one without the first two, then we're learning it backwards. Does it make sense? That's the key point I want to make sure you understand. And now, once again, even before the third thing, what I would like to see is power with the arm. And when you do your arm, it's not just the outside arm. This is not dead. I'm still popping even though it's behind. Because it adds to the entire body. Okay? So focus on that. That's the priority. Okay? Okay. And then we have, and it's the same thing. Like I still, every time we do this, I still pop both arms. Boom, 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 boom. Even when I do this is still popping, right? Okay? So arm, it adds so much to it. Make sure we don't cheat ourselves and not do that. Okay?
You do arms when you twist your body like that.
So yeah, so what I'm doing is, remember here, boom, boom, 7 or 6 and 7, 8. So I'm popping here, pop, pop. Yes, good. Good job, Andy. Okay, so far so good. Let's go from the top. 5. We just went this way. We just started turning to the right. So now, naturally, you should start with the going to the right. Room, and then hit any pose on the floor. Pop, 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 pop. Right? Hit the 4, hold 5, 6, hold 5, 6, hold 7, and 8. Right? And then repeat the other side. Okay? No questions? What I like to see is, if you guys can, at the end of everything, after we finish, this way, ba, ba, ba. I'd like to see 2-8 counts of solo from everybody. So if Margarita is my partner, okay, so we just finish this way. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Maybe I go first. 1, 2, 3, whatever. 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then Margarita, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just a little solo at the end. Okay? You don't have to hit every beat, but we could go just time stopping. Okay?